The future of Jacksonville's political makeup is still in the hands of a federal court judge who's already ruled that city council districts were drawn illegally since race was used as a factor instead of population. Since that ruling, city leaders and various civil rights groups who filed the lawsuit have gone back and forth trying to come up with a plan to satisfy the judge. As News 4 Jax reporter Jim Piggott shows us, time is ticking. This will have to be resolved in a matter of weeks.
So I'm here at the election center, and this is where they have a real concern over this lawsuit and what's going to happen. That's because we've got that election coming up in the spring, and a lot of us, well, will be voting, and we may not know what district we're actually in. And that's what has to be decided soon. It's an important decision, how Jacksonville's city council and school board boundary lines will be drawn, and how that will impact who gets elected to those offices. It will affect the balance of power and define the city's political makeup. Election officials only have a short time to get ready for the next election, and they need the new district map in place by December 16th, which is only 17 days away.
We had told that we have in the court filings that we need to know by December 16th because that was kind of like our drop dead date. That would give us time to get maps in place, to get the legislation through city council, to go through the normal process so we don't have to do any kind of emergencies.
In an early ruling, the judge had said the city used race to draw boundary lines, and that's illegal. The city says they didn't. Right now, with these court documents, the finger-pointing is underway. The city says the plaintiffs, those suing, don't know what they're doing, and their maps reflect that. Those suing, like the Northside Coalition, say it's the city that has it all wrong.
The city council has failed to cure the gerrymander as directed by the judge. They have failed to do what the judge asked them to do. All they're doing is marching back and trying to confuse people with this baloney.
But according to the elections office, the real concern now is with voters, who could end up being confused on where they will vote and who they could actually vote for.
Voters were just informed prior to the August election that some of their polling locations had changed, some of their district representatives had changed. And so we went through the August and November election like that. Now we're going to be in a position where some of those may change again.
The judge has set another hearing on this case for December 9th. From the federal courthouse, Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.